Yeah, let's talk about XLM. XLM is sitting around 17.8 cents. I see support at 16.7 cents, and I see resistance between 19 and 19.5 cents. Some people say 20 cents, but I say between 19 cents. How do I see XLM long term? Well, I did have XRP, but it was underperforming the market. Some people say XRP can go to $10 this bull run, which I'm one of those people that thinks it will. But that's all right. That's a good return depending on when you got into XRP. But I decide, you know what, it's underperforming. I'm just going to get into something that's moving right now, which was XLM. That was about 2 months ago. So my average price on XLM for my long-term portfolio, which I do trade XLM if there's a trade to be made, but most of my money in XLM, in fact, all of it right now, because I'm not in a trade with XLM right now, is in long-term investments. So I plan to hold those at least 12 to 18 months, depending on when the high of the bull market is. I'm assuming it will be at least 12 months from today. So I think this bull market still will last another 12 months. But yeah, I believe in XLM long term. I believe more in it than XRP, and I think it is a coin that can 100x and will 100x or very close to 100x this bull market from 8 cents. So that gives us a range of a nice target would be $8 if we're feeling really bullish, and if Bitcoin goes to 400k, I think we can easily hit $10 with XLM. And if Bitcoin only goes to 100 grand, which would still be amazing, I think maybe we don't see quite 100x in XLM. But either way, I think if we even 50x XLM, which I think we definitely will, that's probably going to outperform what XRP does, in my opinion. So if you are comparing XRP and XLM, I've already made the decision that XLM is probably the better product, and the ethics behind it are better. Now, you have to understand that XRP and XLM have the same person invented both of them. Same person was the president of both, but I just think the ethics behind XLM is a little bit better. And if you're thinking about holding it long term, I would do XLM. Obviously, it's a little bit cheaper. That doesn't always matter, but I just believe that it's just a coin that has more upside potential just because, one, it's cheaper. You obviously have to look at the market cap, and I think that's also in favor of XLM. So I think it's a coin that, yeah, it's another crazy prediction, but I think if Bitcoin goes past 400k, just past 400k, I don't say going past 500k, but if it goes to 400, 450k, 420k, or even just say Bitcoin tops out at 400k exactly, I think XLM could probably be damn close, if not just past $10 this bull run. So we'll see how XRP performs. We'll see how XLM performs. But long term, I think XLM is the better choice. That's my opinion. This is not financial advice by any means, but that is what I see in the charts. And right now, I think XLM, in my opinion, I'm looking at the daily chart right now. You guys can't see it, obviously, but I think we're due for some sort of upside, especially because I think when Bitcoin hits $30,000, especially when Bitcoin hits $50,000, but in the shorter term, when Bitcoin hits $30,000, I do think at some point we need to see some consolidation. We have not seen a major rejection off of Bitcoin since we started pumping from 12, 13K. Right now we're at $22,000, $23,000, 23.8 to be exact. So that's almost doubling the price of Bitcoin, and we have not seen a major rejection. We are due for some sort of rejection in Bitcoin, and if that doesn't happen to 30k, that'd be great. By my means, I'm targeting $30,000 for my Bitcoin trade I'm in currently, so that's probably a month or two away, but maybe not. At 30k, we're going to see some sort of rejection, and when we see that rejection, I think altcoins like XLM, XRP, GRT, all those fun coins that are pumping already will continue to pump even higher. Maybe not GRT, maybe that's a little bit extended right now, but XLM, I think, especially when Bitcoin is 30k, will just explode in price to 50 cents, maybe more, maybe $1, something like that. That's my prediction.